I'm Sandy Dugan with the Cory Meyer real estate team, and this is the first time this home has ever been offered for sale. Come take a look at this custom place. Nestled in the highly desirable West Reading area off of Lower Springs Road, this stunning custom-built home, constructed in 2021, offers over 2,500 square feet of modern luxury on a sprawling 2-acre lot with fantastic views, owned solar panels, and a very hard-to-find 30 by 60 shop. The gourmet kitchen with quartz countertops, large island, and stainless appliances opens into a spacious living and dining area full of natural light, perfect for entertaining with a wood-burning fireplace. As you step outside to the covered patio, complete with a built-in barbecue, and soak in breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape with hundreds of acres of untouched land as your backdrop. This property is very hard to find in a fantastic location. With 4 bedrooms, an office, 2.5 bathrooms, the open concept floor plan seamlessly flows and creates functionality throughout, featuring a split bedroom layout for added privacy.